Hey guys, this is Caleb with Camp Hard. I was just gonna. Hey guys, this is Caleb with Camp Hard. I figured I'd make a quick video just showing y'all a brief overview of the gear that I take camping with me. Now, I don't take all of this every time I go camping. It just depends on where I'll be going and what I'll be doing. But this is what I've got. Figured I'd show y'all some of my toys. So I guess first things first, I'll show you the tent I've got. It's an Ozark Trail 2-person dome tent. I've been trying to get away from using a tent because it's heavy, it's more stuff to carry, and it's more fun, honestly, just sleeping out under the stars or in a shelter that I built myself, you know. But just a 2-person dome tent. It's real simple. It's cheap. Buy it at Walmart for $30 roughly. Here's my camping grill, grate, whatever you want to call it. I just set this up over the campfire. It's got the legs that swivel out, and I can usually hang it on. I'll use a carabiner and hang it on my pack that I carry with me through the woods. I don't have any like legit gear yet. I'm a beginner, but hey, there's plenty of room to grow. So you hit subscribe and you can follow along on my journey of getting better gear and going to cooler places. So here's my Ozark Trail little cooler that my awesome wife got me for my anniversary. Inside I've just got some pots to cook whatever over the fire. I'll cook eggs, soup, whatever in these things. It's got a smaller cup inside of it, and it comes with this little mesh bag with a drawstring. I'll keep it inside my cooler, and that's my cooking setup. So let's go into my pack. I've got this just your standard issue sea bag. You can get them at any kind of like military surplus store. That's what I carry all my stuff in, and I'll strap stuff to the outside of it with carabiners and whatnot. But first things first, toilet paper. I don't go anywhere without toilet paper anymore. I've learned that lesson the hard way. I mean, let's be honest, wiping your butt with a stick isn't exactly optimal. I've got this Pelican waterproof case. It's a 1060 micro case series, and I've just got like random smaller items that I don't want to get wet, like extra batteries, an extra flashlight. I've got some bug spray, some electric tape, a knife sharpener, an extra lighter, and a $5 bill in here. I just keep it safe, keep it out of the weather, and it's just extra gear that if I lose something, I can go in here and I can have another one. I usually have a knife in here. I don't know where it's at right now, but there's that. Headlamp. Your basic Energizer headlamp. I want a better one. I'll get a better one eventually, but that's all I've got for right now, and it works great for me. So, an extra pair of socks. If you've done enough camping, you will know that you will need an extra pair of socks. You'll find that out if you don't know already. I just got this new toy. It's a little shovel. It's a mini shovel. It comes in this pouch. It's got a belt loop. Put it on your belt. And I'm talking about this thing is small, but you can pull it out. It's got a pick on one side. You can fold that down. You can fold the shovel head down. You can screw this in. And I've been using this to like scoop coals out of the fire to put underneath my little grill to cook hot dogs or pork chops or whatever I'm taking. But it's 16 inches long. I can't remember the manufacturer, but I got it off Cabela's.com for like $13 plus shipping and handling. Came up to like 20 bucks. But this thing is handy and it's really cool. Little camp shovel. And it's because it's so small and light, it's very packable. So I've got this little bush knife. I got this at Walmart. It's a Camelus brand. I love this thing. It's super sharp right out of the box. Of course, I keep it sharp, but it's great for, I'll put it on my hip just around the campsite to do just your basic stuff around the campsite. Camelus brand bush knife. I think it looks great too. Anyway, so I have that for around the camp, and whenever I'm going out exploring, just like looking around the area, I'll put this bad boy on my hip. Also another gift from my awesome wife for our anniversary. It's a machete. Camelus brand. It's a Carnivore X. And this thing is bad to the bone, y'all. It'll cut through any little branches in your way, going through the woods, you know, undergrowth. Perfect for that. So I'll put that on my hip whenever I'm just walking around through the woods, you know, no pack or anything like that. I'll have this on my hip. And man, I'm telling you, I've seen some videos of guys swinging machetes and it'll come flying out of their hand and slice their legs wide open. So I put this 550 cord on here, and I wrap it around my wrist. It'll help me hold on. It keeps it tight in your hand, so it won't come out of my hand. It won't cut me. So there's that. Extra cord for anything. Comes in handy when you're camping. Anything. And then, of course, I've got this junky old hatchet that I've kept sharp and does what I need it to do. Chop up firewood, limbs, whatever. Whenever I'm gathering firewood or building anything bushcraft wise, I'll use this. I need a better one, but this works for now. And then my sleeping system, I've just got these like military issue sleeping bags. It's got the black one, the green one, the camo waterproof cover. I'm not gonna pull it all out, but you know what I'm talking about. It's the black one's for the cold weather. I think it's rated for minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is killer. I've never been cold in it. So I think you can get them at any military surplus store. So check into that. They're incredible sleeping bags, and I don't care how much you end up having to spend on them, they're worth it. The green one is obviously your warm weather bag, so it's not as hot. And then I guess I will pull it all out. Here's the waterproof cover. I think it's Gore-Tex, some kind of Gore-Tex type material. Never had water inside my sleeping bag with this thing on it. I've slept right on the ground with this, no sleeping pad or anything, never gotten wet. The sleeping system's awesome. And then I've got my ISO mat rolled up inside of my sea bag here. I actually have a military one, and then I've got two extra sleeping pads from Walmart. They're just, you know, those cheap like $7 blue ones for my son and whoever else goes camping with me. But basically, guys, that's my camping toys, my gear. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll do my best to reply. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to keep on coming out with these videos, and I'm going to go to some awesome places and show you all some off the beaten path type places and areas that you've probably never heard of before. So go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe. This is Camp Hard. Thanks for watching.